Hello, my name is Lucy Lynn. I'm the founder and Chief Marketing Officer of Forestlyn. What if I told you I can help you get more clients and customers by helping them easily understand the value of your innovative product and service? I have worked over 17 years in marketing communications, a lot in new product development teams. I have met a lot of technical founders who have created amazing products and services in emerging technologies. However, a lot of these products and services I do not understand. The reason why is because they talk and communicate in technical jargon that a lot of people also do not understand, and that is a big problem. Let's take email as an example, because email was also considered once as a new emerging technology. Email was actually first sent in 1971, but really it didn't get mass adoption until the late 90s and early 2000s. And it is because it is hard to explain what email is, and you had to explain what the @symbol did. You had to create new accounts before you can email to each other. Now it is used by everybody in a professional and personal sense, but it takes time to educate people because it is a new technology. The hardest thing about new emerging technologies is communication, to be able to de-jargon what your new product and services is, and for people to understand that. What's really vital about new emerging tech is you need to have a strong communication strategy and then also have the marketing plan to be able to grow and scale your product and your service. At Forestlyn, we do exactly this. We help you with your communication strategy. We help you de-jargon all your technical terms. We help you simplify all your messaging and your wording. And we help you grow and scale by building a customized marketing plan that is easily understood and tailored to your local and your global audiences. At Forestlyn, we help corporations, medium, small businesses, and also startups with their communication and their marketing to grow and scale their businesses. We have helped crypto and blockchain companies build communities of up to 127,000 members globally. We have helped AI and data companies explain why AI is not very scary, as people think. We have helped smart cities and mapping data companies go to market in different countries. We have also helped AR/VR companies with their content strategy, including digital and social media planning, improve their brand strategy and help them with all their events. So if you are an innovative product or service and you are looking to get more customers and grow your business, Forestlyn is your trusted and collaborative marketing partner. Contact us today to get a free assessment of your marketing needs. For further information, visit our website at forestlyn.com, and we look forward to working with you.